Hey YouTube, Red Mono Review here with you. Today we're looking at the Zippo lighter. It's out of fuel, and today we're going to try some 32-to-1 mixture for my weed eater. So this is 32-to-1 gas. I just wanted to see if this would light with it. Let's go ahead and it's almost out, so I don't recommend trying this at home, but in a fix, let's see if this would work. Alright, that should probably be enough. Again, I don't recommend doing this. We'll go put it together. Hey guys, Red Mono Review here with you with a Zippo that's got 32-to-1 gasoline in it. I was just wondering if it will work. It was empty. Let's see what happens. Gasoline does work. That's 32-to-1 gasoline. So if anyone tells you your Zippo won't work with gas, they're lying. Light's great too. Well, check that out, guys. Light's just as good as regular lighter fluid. Probably doesn't smell as good though. It's probably got a smell. But if you're in a pinch and you need your lighter, there you go. Gasoline works in a Zippo. Pretty cool.